So we got Healing Through Inspiration coming in. Let's see what you got. Healing Through Inspiration. Let's bring you in here. What you got? Healing Through Inspiration. What up, homie?
Hey, I'm a big fan. Appreciate you, bro.
I'm honored. Where you at?
I'm in Flint, Michigan.
Oh, Lord. How's the water?
Man, it's ice cold out there, bro. I swear to God.
I'm talking about what's up with y'all water? Are they getting that thing fixed?
Oh, how's the water? Man, you know, they trying to kill it. They trying to kill original inhabitants off. I'm gonna just say it like that.
Yeah, we gotta keep it PG. Yeah. So are they working on it, or what are they doing?
They say the media lie and say it's fixed, but I can tell you right now, if I pour from that sink right there, that water, it don't taste right. Don't nobody drink from that water, bro.
Yeah, that's a mess.
You know what? There'll be some
I got this right here. Everybody drink. Everybody get bottled water. You hear me?
There'll be some good content too, Healing. There'll be some good content.
Man, investigative journalism is like, let me show you what the water's really like.
And that's why I'm a health coach. Like I provide healthy reasons, like how to, reverse cancer, reverse diabetes, reverse heart disease, reverse alopecia, reverse asthma. This is all natural stuff. I'm a holistic health coach. I got this stuff on my YouTube channel. I got everything on my website, and it's there for free. You dig?
Sweet.
And how to repair their own vision too. Because I see my brother got glasses. I used to wear glasses. I don't wear glasses anymore. I healed my own vision.
You might be a Dr. Sebi Jr.
Yeah, that is a big, I appreciate that, bro.
I'm serious.
Because I'll go to, one time I went to the eye doctors. I used to have, we used to wear glasses. One night, the eye doctor used to tell me that, you got to wear your glasses. I used to wear them, man. It used to hurt so much. Your bridge of your nose. I'm sure my brother knows it hurts so freaking much, man. And it's just like sensitive. It's like damaged tissue. And I just stopped wearing. I got tired of it. So I stopped wearing my glasses. I had an eye doctor's appointment. He goes up, you do the little test. You know how they scan you, whatever. You're supposed to read the thing, A, B, C, the letters, different sizes. And so when I finished the test, he's like, oh, wow. So you've been wearing your glasses. I was like, okay. But I said to myself, I haven't been wearing my glasses. How is it that my vision improved when I was not wearing my glasses?
Wow. That's deep, man. I want to see that.
You know what, too? Yeah, and the thing is, too, because you had to think, when you come out the womb, were you born with glasses?
Nope.
See, no. The question is, with that itself is then you don't need glasses, because if you were born with it, because if you did need them, you would have been born with it.
Okay, that's true. That's true.